How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first just go to settings and then go to apps, type here Minecraft, click on it, click advanced options, and now scroll down until you find uninstall, and that's it. Don't click on it first, just try to repair your Minecraft. If that doesn't fix it, click terminate and try again, and if that also doesn't fix it, now just click reset. You will lose your data, and also you can lose your data by uninstall Minecraft and to install it again, and that's it. Click reset or uninstall, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.